Hello and welcome to Phrasal Verbs with Oscar. Today we'll be talking about how to use the verb preposition combination walk through. To walk through, first the literal meaning to go through something. It indicates movement from one point to another. Here we can see that Oscar walks through a door. In this case, he is entering the doorway and will soon exit it. In this painting, Winter in Jura by Gustave Courbet, the woman is walking through the snow. You could also say she is walking through the forest. It would depend on what you wanted to emphasize. And just to be clear, and to avoid confusion, here is Oscar walking through the snow. And now, on this picture on the right, Oscar is walking through the woods. However, he is not walking through the path. The path is not covering his feet or legs like the snow in the other examples. He is walking on top of, if you will, the path. It is possible to walk through a room, a tunnel, a crowd, or a store, any place that you are walking from one point to the other and it surrounds you in some way. To walk through can also be used a little more abstractly. This poem talks about walking through a day. It gives much the same idea of passing from one point to another within a particular setting. Calmly, we walk through this April's day. The use of the phrasal verb to walk through is a bit different. It means to help someone learn or become familiar with something by showing them each step of the process in turn. I will now walk you through the steps of making Oscar's dinner. You can see he's very hungry. First, get his bowl. Second, scoop out some dry food. Finally, add some canned food. Here is another example. It says at the bottom of this article, or this paragraph, about examples of shape poems for kids, then we'll walk through the steps to help your child or student create a shape poem of their own. You will frequently see this meaning of to walk through as a noun, but the spelling is different. One word, walk through, or with a hyphen, walk through. I walked through the steps of making Oscar's meal. Verb, 2 words. Versus, I presented a walkthrough of making Oscar's meal. Noun, 1 word. In the article below, it presents the noun form. Pokemon Let's Go walkthrough and guide to your quest through Kanto. This website has walkthroughs for playing Pokemon Let's Go. Careful with the noun. This is only one of many meanings. In other areas, like the performing arts, real estate, and software design, walk through has very specific and sometimes quite different meanings. I'm not going to explain the different definitions, just be aware. Also, even though you may see it in songs and other places, don't use the spelling walk through with the U in an assignment or in formal writing. It will make your teacher cry. Oscar says, that's enough for today. Thank you for letting me walk you through the different ways of using walk through. Until next time.